My first weekend owning an acre of lush grass turned into an absolute nightmare when my old, second-hand mower broke down halfway through the yard, leaving half my lawn looking like a jungle. Choosing the right lawn tractor shouldn't feel like a guessing game, but dealing with weak decks, slipping belts, and confusing spec sheets makes it exhausting. Today, I'm cutting through the marketing noise to test and rank the 5 best John Deere lawn tractors specifically built for a 1-acre property. Stick around until number 1, because its commercial-grade capability completely redefines weekend yard work. 5. John Deere S140. When I first hauled this machine out of its shipping crate and rolled it onto my property, its sharp, modern styling and sturdy steel chassis immediately caught my attention, offering a professional aesthetic that looks right at home on any suburban lawn. Equipped with a robust 22-horsepower V-twin engine and a spacious 48-inch edge mower deck, it is designed on paper to comfortably tackle medium to large yards with plenty of breathing room. Setting up the tractor was surprisingly straightforward, requiring minimal tools, and sliding into the 15-inch high-back operator seat felt comfortable, supportive, and well-positioned right out of the gate. During my initial testing phase across a standard 1-acre lot, the S140 fired up quickly thanks to its reliable electronic ignition and easily maneuvered across open patches of thick turf. The side-by-side hydrostatic foot pedals allowed for smooth, intuitive speed adjustments as I carefully navigated around a few scattered shade trees and decorative garden borders. 4 wide, open straightaways, the generous 48-inch deck covered ground at a rapid pace, significantly reducing the total time it took to complete a full mow compared to smaller residential push mowers or standard entry-level riding units. It felt like a true step up in productivity for a growing homeowner. However, as I pushed the tractor through slightly thicker, overgrown patches of grass and minor backyard inclines, several notable performance downbacks naturally revealed themselves. The entry-level transaxle began to produce a noticeable, high-pitched whine under heavy load, and the tractor noticeably lost momentum when climbing modest slopes on my property, requiring me to back off the throttle or take shallower passes to maintain forward motion. 4. John Deere S180. Stepping into this model immediately brings a major upgrade in sheer cutting width, boasting an expansive 54-inch edge mower deck paired with a powerful 24-horsepower V-twin extended life series engine. Another standout feature that caught my eye during preparation was the integrated Easy Change 30-second oil change system, which brilliantly replaces traditional messy oil plug drainage with a simple, clean twist-on filter cartridge that keeps your hands completely clean of used oil. When I put the S180 to work on my 1-acre test course, the sheer cutting footprint was staggering. It sliced my total mowing time down dramatically because far fewer passes were required to cover the entire landscape. The dashboard-mounted digital fuel gauge provided crystal-clear visibility of fuel levels on sunny days, and the heavy-duty hydrostatic transmission offered responsive forward and reverse control via the familiar twin-touch side-by-side pedals. 4 flat, wide-open spaces, the tractor felt like an absolute heavy-duty powerhouse ready for serious acreage work. Despite its impressive specifications and rapid mowing capabilities, testing the S180 on a standard residential acre also exposed a few distinct drawbacks that regular homeowners should consider before buying. That massive 54-inch deck, while wonderful for wide fields, turned out to be an absolute nightmare when trying to navigate through standard backyard garden gates or tight spaces between landscaping beds. The sheer physical bulk of the machine made it clumsy around tight corners, and the wide deck frequently scalped minor dips in my lawn because the anti-scalp wheels couldn't adjust quickly enough to undulating terrain. Additionally, the lightweight construction elements and frequent belt tension adjustments needed during heavy mulching sessions detracted from the overall user experience. 3. John Deere S240. Right out of the box during unboxing and setup, it immediately becomes clear that John Deere engineered this machine to bridge the gap between casual consumer mowers and heavy-duty workhorses. Powered by a remarkably responsive, smooth-running 21.5 horsepower V-twin Kawasaki engine, widely praised by mechanics and landscapers alike for its bulletproof reliability, and featuring a versatile, precision-engineered 42-inch XL deep mower deck. The S240 is built from the ground up to strike an absolute masterclass balance between everyday residential comfort and commercial-grade durability. A closer inspection reveals a noticeably cleaner, more professional wiring layout, a heavily reinforced frame structure, and an upgraded K46 heavy-duty hydrostatic transmission specifically designed to handle long-term mechanical longevity and reliable, slip-free hill climbing. Putting the S240 through its rigorous, punishing paces across my demanding one-acre testing ground revealed an immediate, breathtaking improvement in cut quality and overall mechanical refinement. The patented XL deep deck utilizes a much deeper stamped steel shell combined with an optimized aerodynamic chamber that actively prevents grass clipping buildup, forcing clippings out with incredible velocity and efficiency instead of choking the blades. Whether I was side discharging a heavy spring growth or testing an optional mulching kit, the sharp grass blades produced a pristine, showroom-quality, golf course-style finish that looked exceptionally clean and uniform across every single square foot. Furthermore, the Kawasaki engine ran with a remarkably quiet, refined mechanical hum, exhibiting significantly lower engine vibration through the floorboards and steering wheel compared to the rougher-running single-cylinder and entry-level V-twin options found on previous 100 series models. Operating this tractor felt exceptionally intuitive and forgiving from the very first minute, thanks entirely to the responsive. 2. John Deere X350. Stepping out of the entry-level tier and straight into the professional-grade X300 Select Series genuinely changes the entire ownership experience from the ground up, making you realize what a true, precision-engineered lawn care machine is supposed to feel like. Driven by a robust, highly intelligent 21.5 horsepower iTor power system and paired with a precision-engineered 42-inch XL deep deck, the X350 is crafted from the ground up with heavy-duty, commercial-grade components that are literally built to last for decades of hard use. The exact moment you lower yourself into the plush operator station, the thoughtful ergonomic layout, the comfortable steering wheel angle, and the modern automotive-style digital instrument display signal loud and clear that you are operating a truly superior class of machinery. During my extensive, demanding field testing across a challenging one-acre landscape densely dotted with mature oak trees, winding garden borders, and tight, complex flower beds, the X350 shone brilliantly like a true champion. Its precision sector and pinion steering system, combined with an exceptionally tight 26-inch uncut circle radius, allowed me to glide effortlessly and gracefully around stubborn obstacles with minimal wheel-turning effort, dramatically cutting down on tedious manual backing up maneuvers. The iconic twin-touch foot pedals offered silky smooth, infinitely adjustable speed transitions, while the brilliant foot-operated deck lift system made adjusting cutting heights on the fly completely effortless and hands-free, saving you from struggling with heavy manual hand levers found on lesser, budget models. The absolute masterclass cut quality delivered by the XL Deep Deck on the X350 is nothing short of exceptional across every single square inch of turf. 1. John Deere X380. If you want the ultimate, buy-it-for-life lawn tractor engineered specifically to conquer a one-acre property with absolute perfection, look no further. Powered by a potent 23-horsepower iTorque V-twin engine and featuring a heavy-duty K58 integrated hydrostatic transaxle, the X380 represents the pinnacle of residential lawn care technology. Paired here with a massive, high-capacity 48-inch XL deep deck, it handles heavy workloads with effortless grace and unmatched speed. Putting the X380 through its rigorous testing paces was an eye-opening experience. The K58 transaxle provides superior ground-engaging capability, meaning steep backyard inclines and heavy towing loads are handled without a single drop in performance or speed. The iTorque power system manages engine cooling and lugging power so intelligently that even when encountering thick, overgrown patches of turf, the blades never bog down. The 48-inch XL deep deck cuts wide and clean, reducing your total mowing passes while leaving behind a pristine, professional lawn stripe that will make your neighbors envious. Comfort and convenience reach an entirely new level on the X380. It features a luxurious 18-inch high-back cut-and-sewn seat with adjustable suspension that absorbs bumps seamlessly, protecting your back during long mowing sessions. The sleek automobile-style digital instrument display keeps track of hours and fuel levels clearly, and a 4-year or 300-hour bumper-bumper warranty provides unmatched peace of mind. Maintenance is also simplified with the no-tools oil drain system and easy-access engine hood. The John Deere X380 is a masterclass in lawn tractor engineering. By combining commercial-grade transaxle power, flawless cutting precision, and luxurious operator ergonomics, it eliminates every single frustration associated with property maintenance.